Welcome back to my channel. I'm Żaneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. This time, we embarked on a trip all the way south of Miaoli County. It was about a 120-kilometer scooter ride, a 9-hour trip that left us super tired and sunburned, but it was truly enjoyable as we visited several places along the way. Our first stop was Tongxiao Shrine, a captivating Japanese relic with a rich history. Although closed to visitors due to management reasons, we took the time to admire its surroundings and learn about its significance. The social affairs office next to the first story gate is an office for priests and administrators. Originally serving administrative purposes, the social office underwent various uses over the years, including military accommodation. Efforts to restore the social office faced challenges due to non-cooperation from occupants, delaying restoration projects. The rest house, located near the shrine, served as a dormitory for priests and later as accommodation for police and VIPs. Although it features traditional Japanese architectural elements, it has suffered from neglect and deterioration. There are Japanese-style stone lanterns on both sides of the path, in front of the worship hall. Some are old items from the year, and some are remaining bases, plus Reka stone lanterns. The worship hall, originally a Japanese-style worship building, was rebuilt after the war with a traditional Chinese Minnan-style roof, and the Kuomintang emblem added in the center, highlighting the party-state ideology. Constructed in 1937, Tongxiao Shrine replaced the previous Wuge Shrine. Tongxiao Shrine suffered damage during the earthquake in 1999, leading to restoration efforts. Officially registered as a historical site in Miaoli County in 2002, restoration and preservation work continue in the 2010s, with the shrine now operating as a tourist site to promote local development. Tongxiao Shrine is also listed as one of the top 100 religious sites to visit in Taiwan. The shrine's main hall, once housing important deities, now stands preserved as remnant amidst overgrown bushes, offering nothing else to see in its current state. The main hall was destroyed during the war, leaving only its stone base, which now is severely cracked. After exploring the shrine, we also checked out the memorial park above, treating ourselves to breathtaking views of Miaoli County. First, you have to follow the stairs, and even more stairs. There is one bunker next to the stairs. The Rizal Battle Watchover Monument, originally erected during the Japanese colonial period to commemorate the 1904 Russo-Japanese War, stands as a reminder of the area's past and its ties to significant global events. The monument has since been renamed the Taiwan Liberation Monument. According to a story, in 1904, the Russo-Japanese War erupted, with the Russian Empire's Pacific Fleet stationed in the Far East, engaging in conflict with the Japanese army. Seeking victory, the Russian Empire urgently mobilized the Baltic Fleet from Europe to join the war. While en route through the Taiwan Strait, the fleet was spotted by 3 Japanese troops stationed on the Hutong Mountain in Tongxiao Town, who promptly alerted Japan. In May 1905, the intelligence allowed the Japanese Navy to trap and eliminate the approaching Russian Navy in the Tsushima Strait. To honor this victory, the Japanese government decided to erect a monument on Hutong Mountain, commending the defenders for the crucial intelligence. Except for the monument and panorama view, there is nothing much to see here. After soaking in the history and culture, we decided to refuel with some Sichuan-style beef noodles. The flavors were absolutely delightful, especially when paired with the fragrant luwei and spicy sauce. Plus, the prices were quite reasonable, making it a satisfying culinary experience. Continuing our journey southward, we explored Miaoli Township's Old Street and visited an ancient house that drew many visitors. From there, we ventured further into the mountains, discovering the remnants of long-time broken bridge and the beauty of Shenshin Station. But more about it in the next video, so stay tuned. That's all for today. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!
What?